Again. So Emeka's drowned. Yes, Emeka, God forbid. And you are there, what do you do? First of all, you check the surrounding if it's safe, so that something else will not happen to you. Or the person. Number 2, you shout for help. Help, oh, somebody help me. Number 3, you need to check if he's breathing or if he's only gasping. How do you do that? You watch the chest. If he's not rising and going down normally as he should, then you now need to perform this very important step called CPR. How do you do it? You place the heel of your hand in between the chest. Where? In between the nipples. Very easy to find. And then you lock with the second hand on top. And then you push in about 2 inches deep. But you're going to do that about 30 times at the speed of 100 to 120 beats per minute. You see all this thing I'm saying? It might be difficult for some of you to remember. Just use this Nigerian song in your head. Shaking your body, twe, 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 twe. Yeah, you're getting it, Abi. And then, as you can see, my elbow is not moving. Some of you will be doing like this. That's not how to do it. Your elbows are supposed to be locked. You're supposed to be directly on top and then in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. 30 times. When you're done 30 times, you go to the head, you raise the neck so that air can enter the lungs, because if it's like this, air will not enter. When you now raise, and then you breathe into the mouth while closing the nose twice. And then you repeat it again. Sweat, sweat, shaking your body, sweat. As you can see, I'm already sweating, so it's not very easy. You make sure you are fit though, because some people have done this and they needed CPR themselves. That's why I said shout for help. While you are doing this thing, you are hoping that the emergency number that you called will actually answer you. Find the number in your state and put it on your phone and keep doing it. Until, number 1, better help arrives. If better help does not arrive, you continue doing it until somebody who is better than you can actually do it better. If you're tired, get somebody to help you to continue doing it. Or if you're sure the person is dead. But you need to be a doctor to actually certify a person dead. So my dear, just continue doing the CPR and you just might save a life. And please share this video to everybody you know. You just might not know whether you yourself might need it one day. But shall God forbid.